I'm running. When he's strong. Oh. This is essential BTS. Everything that I'm showing here right now is gonna be in the giveaway. Hello Kitty to be looking real different now. My crush. Just kidding, I am my own crush. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single comment. Today, it is nighttime. That's not what I was supposed to say. Today, I'm gonna go back to school shopping. Now, you guys might be like, Mai, why are you going to back to school shopping? Like, you haven't been to school in a long time. I thought you were a dropout. And to that, I say, you are correct. But in the spirit of back to school, I don't really know if you guys are actually going back to school though, because I feel like everyone's doing it online. But I feel like some schools are going back to school. Currently it's nighttime if you guys can't tell. I'm gonna go to Walmart and shop for you guys. Also, I'm gonna be giving away a MacBook in this video, so stay tuned for that. I don't know if you guys are like me, but when I was younger, I used to watch all these back to school videos and be like, I want these pens, this notebook, this binder, this pencil kit. I know exactly which ones I want. And I would drag my mom to buy school supplies at the beginning of July, even though school started in September here in Canada. If you guys don't know who I am, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is maiphammy. I live in Canada, Calgary, Alberta specifically. Don't kidnap me, and I'm 17 years old. Anyways, I'm here joined by some friends. This is my roommate and my best friend Anila, and this is a skater boy. His name's Jesse, and he skates. So if you guys want a skater boy, just like make sure to hit him up. You know, he'll teach you how to. I don't know what he can do. He can't really do much. He's not very good, to be honest. What? I'll see you guys in Walmart.
Oh my God, we're at Walmart.
We gotta put the masks on, guys. We can't get Rona. Ow. Hit my face. If you guys don't know, Jesse is actually a youngin'. He's 17. I mean, I am too. But he still has to do grade 12. Jesse, you have a basket? We're gonna be shopping for my subscribers. So I'm gonna get you guys the best thing. It's kind of bumping. We'll get them the best sharpeners. I used to buy these all the time. Boom. For math, this, which you don't even know what it is. You do math with? Trigonometry, Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. And you guys can write out the alphabet with this. Has anyone ever used that is my question.
White out, you always need white.
This?
No, that sucks. No, this is way better.
What? Okay, I guess since he's in school, we're gonna trust the guy that's still in school because he's a youngin'. Oh, wait. No, we want the real brand.
These ones are way better.
We want the real whiteout, guys. I'm not cheaping out on you guys. Anyway, those are disgusting. 5-star paper is superior. Amazing. You know why? It doesn't rip out of your binder. It's reinforced. And this paper isn't the cheap shit, guys. It's thick, just like my ass. Ooh. Jesse's like, get the out of here. We'll get you guys one pack of paper. One half of this paper for math. Pocket portfolio. 2 pockets. Oh, they also need dividers. Oh my God, $7 for some dividers? You think I'm rich or something? What the fuck? Okay, we'll get you guys this white and gold accented one. And we'll get you guys a black and gold accented one.
For his.
Jesse's like, damn, I wish I had all this cool shit for my back to school supplies.
No, baby.
They need a binder, Jesse. What's the best binder?
Usually these ones are pretty gas.
Oh, I feel like this is such a guy, right? This screams boy to me. Really functional, but this screams boy. This screams annoying guy who will never shut the fuck up in class and corrects the teacher. I feel like this guy would put his hand up in class and be like, excuse me, can you explain what you did on the board? Because what I wrote on my paper, I didn't get that. And then the teacher explains it and they're just like, oh, I just must have done it a different way then. Will this be on the test? Oh, will this be posted on the Google Classroom later? No, we're just gonna go with this. We're gonna go with Jesse's choice because Jesse knows it all. Y'all need some notebooks. So I used to get these two, guys. I'm getting you guys the best stuff that I would have got. I'm not cheaping out on you guys. I'm not on an episode of TLC's Cheapskates. I'm on an episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I'm buying school supplies for my daughter Northwest. We'll get you guys a 1 subject for math. Gridded Adler erasers.
Those are the best.
What?
No, those aren't the best. It's the...
Oh my God, I guess there's the best eraser.
No, these ones are the best.
No, they're not.
I thought that those were the best too.
No,
we need to get them some highlighters. So they're gonna get these because you want to be colorful so you can have really cute notes. All right, you guys also need this. This is essential BTS, so you guys can, look at it when you're bored in class. I'm gonna get you guys a pack of these
those are the
pencils.
best.
These are the GOAT because you're gonna lose them, but it's okay. I need a more subject notebook.
Another section. Do it for the vlog.
She knows what's up. Oh yeah. Oh my God, my fly was down this whole time. I feel like people want this.
Hello Kitty.
Did you just?
Oh, I thought that was
Hello Kitty. Does this look like Hello Kitty to you? Hello Kitty to be looking real different now.
Why not this if you're feeling like a baddie one day?
No. People want this one and this one. I should have made a notebook line with sterling on it. Would you guys buy it? I would buy it. Oh my god, wow. When he's strong. Oh my god, matching. Wow, I'm really doing it all for you guys. I feel like some kiddos might need some glue sticks. $6 for 3 glue sticks? Who do they think I am?
Get this one.
You think I'm gonna get the off-brand glue stick? You know what, we're gonna get you guys one of these. I'm sorry, I couldn't get the purple ones for you. And then you guys need some scissors, so you guys are gonna get a pink pair. When I was younger, I always wanted to decorate my locker, but I just couldn't because I would just fill it up with Kool-Aid. Like there'd be no room for decoration. Oh my god, it's a set. So that when you guys are walking, you guys can be like, oh my god, I look so cute. Where's my crush? Just kidding, I am my own crush. You guys need these Ticonderoga ones. They need a ruler, so why don't they sell the fucking ones that you could slap people with? Okay, you guys are gonna get a clear one. Big Atlantis are the goat. I'm gonna get you guys these. These are literally the goat. It's so smooth. Follow me, guys. Running, I'm running, I'm running. Look at this fit. I look so cute right now.
Look at mine.
Wow, we look so good right now.
The fours!
Ooh, ooh, my first pair of fours. All right, let's go. Oh, these are so good for when you're studying or something and you want to mark something and be like, I need to come back here. Oh my god, the way he's holding the basket. Someone hire. Oh, this is it. Oh my god, 5 is too much though. Cash, why are you doing too much? That's the shit up, bitch, you ain't doing it now. Get you guys a red one to be snapped. Ugh, no, that doesn't go with the theme. You guys need a pack of Crayola colored pencils. These are the best. I usually use like a clear box for my pencil. These, I used to get these. It's like aesthetic, you know? It's like clear. This is for when you guys are super bored. I'll get you guys some Uno and some playing cards. All right, I'm trying to find you guys a backpack right now. I usually get Jansport or Fjallcliff. Roller backpack. Is that bad that I would wear this?
I like it.
This is cute. Oh my god, Dickies. Oh my god, skateboarding. Do you think the skater boys would like me if I bought this, Jessie?
Yes.
Do you think the skater boys would like me? Wait, oh my god.
It does come with everything
and
that
a
says.
lunchbox. And an ID kit and a pencil kit. This is exactly what we're looking for. Boys, you better love this one too. Oh my god. Is this the mean group for Taylor Lautner? Anyone's parents used to fucking slap them because they would leave these in their lockers and not bring them home. And they would get stained like orange.
I think, yeah.
Because me too. I'm gonna get you guys some JJ Siwa hand sanitizer and some troll ones. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how speedy I am. Why haven't they hired me? Why? How much do you think this will come to, guys?
I think it's gonna be less than 200. Probably like 150.
Oh my god, no. I used to pay and I'd be like, oh my god, $70 is so much. And
My guess is like 130.
now I'm blowing so much. Jeez, you guys are really getting the best. 158.
Dang
Holy
it.
crap, that's literally more than double than what I used to spend. Finish and pay. I left my keys in the... Let's go on an adventure, I need to go. I left my keys in there. I lost my keys. Oh my god.
The next day.
Hello everyone. Okay, so it's the next day and I want to unbox this new MacBook that I got yesterday on camera for you guys because I don't know, I think it's like so satisfying to do. This is the one I'm giving away. I got it last year. It's like basically brand new condition. I kept it in like a case the whole time. It works perfectly fine. It's a MacBook Pro. The reason why I got a new one is because this one is like perfectly fine or whatever, but I just got like the base model and the base model is not good enough to run all the editing that I do and like all the footage and stuff that I have. Like it slows down a lot, but if you guys were like a college student who didn't need to do hardcore editing, I think this laptop would be really good for you guys. Yeah, I got this last year and this was my first brand new MacBook that I ever got. The one that I used before this was, I think I bought it when I was like maybe 11 or 12 off of Kijiji with like my own money. It was like a 2011 MacBook and I used that all the way up until last year, which was 2019, because I wanted to do YouTube so bad. And I used to buy like used cameras off Kijiji and stuff like that too with my own money, trying to make YouTube videos because I want to do YouTube so freaking bad. But it's crazy how it's like my full-time job now and how I can spend so much money on a laptop because like this is my job. I just want to say thank you guys because I literally would not be able to buy this or like anything in the house without you guys. I got the 16-inch, which is absolutely massive. I want it solely for editing. I got the second one up from the base model. I'm so excited to open this. It's gonna be so satisfying. Oh my god, this is massive. Look at this compared to this. This is huge. Whoa. Holy crap. I literally cannot believe. Like this is gonna be so nice to edit on. Wow. Oh my god. This is insane. I cannot wait to start editing on this thing. All right, so now I'm gonna tell you guys how to enter this giveaway. It is international, so that means if you guys live anywhere in the world, you guys could win this. Just make sure to ask your parents if you guys are under 18 if you guys can enter this, because I don't want a random package coming to your house and your parents being like, what the f is this? Everything that I'm showing here right now is gonna be in the giveaway. It'll end, let's say, September. Alright, so follow these rules, because if you guys don't and I pick you and I check and you guys aren't following these rules, I'm gonna have to pick somebody else, and that would be unfortunate. So you guys must be subscribed to this channel that you guys are watching right now if you guys haven't already. And then also just give this video a thumbs up. And then follow my Instagram, which is at maiphammy. And then follow my second one also, where all the juicy stuff is, which is at maiphammy. Basically, just be active on my Instagram and my YouTube. The way I'm gonna be picking the winner is just from one of the posts on Instagram that I post from now to September 1st. So a random post that I post, and I'm gonna go through the likes and pick a random person of one of the pictures. So yeah, just be active. You guys can turn my post notifications on if you guys want on Instagram also. The winner's just gonna be picked at random. So yeah, I just want to give back to you guys, because literally I would have nothing if I wasn't doing YouTube and if you guys weren't supporting me. So thank you guys so much. But that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Give me some video ideas down below that you guys want to see. And until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.